Congratulations, guys.
That's them. I'm just a driver.
Oh,
yeah.
Good job, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Man, that's a fast car.
He doesn't get slipped down at the end, right? So
no, he doesn't. He's
right
gonna. You're gonna get the reaction from him when this happens.
No big deal. First time out, 6 passes a day, success.
Luckily, we've had experiences with Vipers before.
That's the world record now, right?
For a Gen 5, yes.
It's the first Gen 5 in the section. He's coming back under his own power.
Quarter panels.
Oh, jeez.
So all the smoke was actually the front end. Because on D-Cell, it dug the front end, and it was just a whole bunch of smoke off the front tires. Let her run. 6.9 No fucking way.
Yes, sir.
Are you kidding me?
You got it.
What?
Yeah, you ran a 6.90. It's like you were going for a donut run.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
You got it, man.
It's fast. I'll buy you a new quarter panel.
Whoa, son of a gun.
Congratulations, man.
I literally thought it was like, oh man, I bet that was like a good 730 pass. That's awesome. Like, that'll give us some good information. And then I saw that.
Not even a 699, 690.
No, that's solidly in there, I think.
Solidly in there.
That's the world's first 6-second Gen 5.
Yes, sir.
I mean, that's less power than was running on in the roll race by a good margin.
Really?
Yeah, so that's exciting.
Yeah, give us a quick rundown. So you said before, so this is mainly a roll race car, right?
Well, I mean, dual purpose. The idea, it kind of turned into more of like, I would call it an event car. You know, like it's still very usable and streetable and drive it around. Aside from that now, like I'd be glad to go get some dinner, but that's probably not going to happen.
They did.
Yeah, it's the first time we've had a customer approach us with more of the idea of priority being let's go fast, secondary being like, hey, I'd still like to be able to make it a usable, drivable car. Because, you know, like everybody knows, there's a lot of, it's just a function of how many compromises are you willing to make to get the goals that you want to achieve. This one was, I don't want to say finally, because I love all the cars that we've had our customers build us up to now. There's been more priority on it. Has to drive super nice, and some people want it really quiet, or as quiet as you can make it, you know, all the different things, which is great, and we'll build to suit, you can say. But yeah, so it's the first time we really kind of cut loose, and then we really took a lot of the engine development program out of Juggernaut, which is a Gen 5 motor, and just translated it over to this, but fitted into a Gen 5 chassis. And it still has all, you know, power steering, AC, the 18-speaker sound system is still in it, you know, all that kind of jazz. Cruise control still works, you know, all that cool stuff. So it's like blending race car with, you know, not race car. But
super impressive, man. That was.
Yeah, that's cool. It's got 19s on the front, you know, like that's pretty great.
Aaron, man, you did it, dude.
Hey, no, I didn't. The guys at the shop did it. I'm just the idiot in the driver's seat.
Teamwork.
That's so cool.
That's awesome.
Oh,
you came out here with the
yeah,
purpose.
right. I thought that was a stupid goal. Like, I thought this is dumb to be thinking that it might be able to do this the first time you go to a drag strip with it. And it still is a really dumb idea. But hey, we all have dumb ideas sometimes, right?
Awesome, man. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks.